I mean, Bitcoin hit 100K now. What? Let's talk about it. So we got 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 or 5 weeks of Bitcoin going up. Last bull run, Bitcoin went up for one week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Went for 12 weeks. Retracement. Bitcoin went up for around 20 weeks last time in the last bull run. Then it hit 64K from 9K in 12 weeks. Then we have the bull run in 2021, came down 30K, then went up for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 weeks in the next bull run. 20 weeks, 20 weeks. Then we got this bull run. We can count from here. Mm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then it went sideways for a few months. Then we got a nice bull run. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, I'm gonna, I think the next 5 weeks should be bullish on Bitcoin. Bullish or sideways movement. Now that Bitcoin's at 100K, everyone's trying to figure out what to do. I've been checking the news. It's not much news on Bitcoin going on. We have the ETF. Everyone's trying to figure out what's next for Bitcoin, pretty much. I'm gonna switch my screen over. Second. All right. So this article from BBC. What's next after Bitcoin hit 100K? The volatile, unpredictable. Trump effect. I mean, normally if the markets go up like this, they go into a channel. So BBC, they're in confusion. ABC is inflated by Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin topped 100K for the first time ever since late Wednesday. In a post by Trump on True Social, Trump took credit for the gains. Congratulations, Bitcoiners. $100 and you're welcome. So I'm guessing Trump's been posting on True Social. So let's go to his Truth account right now. That's a tweet from Trump right here. It's Truth. Well, not a tweet, but Congratulations, Bitcoiners, $100. You're welcome. Together we will make America great again. He's very pro Bitcoin. He's been tweeting a lot. I'm very pleased on security and national publicity there. But he's just announcing his team. As of yesterday, he announced his whole team. And that's when we saw the recent pump in Bitcoin was yesterday. So definitely some correlation there. I'm thinking the next best move for Bitcoin is just pretty much to keep an eye on Trump and what he does, but he's very pro Bitcoin. So we got some more news. Yeah, so right now everyone's pretty much promoting 100K Bitcoin, 100K. So my guess is either two things. They'll try to keep it over 100K, which seems like the most likely thing to do. Because when we look at the charts, it doesn't look like people just selling and Bitcoin crashing or anything. So people are looking to hold their Bitcoin. 15 years history, Bitcoin passed 100,000 from pennies to 100K. Um, New meme coin Pepe launches resale and raise 700K in 7 days. I'm not really looking to get into too much meme coins because, in my opinion, with the meme coins, there's thousands of meme coins, maybe millions of meme coins, and maybe only 100 are good. So the odds you have of making money on a meme coin is, 1 in a million, 1 in 100,000. It's just too risky as far as the probabilities. But if you have the time and you have the inside knowledge of which coins are going to get invested into, it definitely would be worth it. I'll be right here. Um, Check CoinGecko. And crypto up overall, market cap up 1% today. It's a good site to track the top coins. Bitcoin up 4% for the day. So I would still hold on to it. We got these type of tokens. Jasmine coins been performing really well. Bitcoin Cash is doing pretty good. Doge obviously is doing good. So this is the main reason why Bitcoin is doing good is the ETFs. IBIT has one of the biggest ETFs. I've found 48 million. So all the ETFs are holding pretty strong. Not really much now. So I would say this is just the beginning for Bitcoin. I'm definitely interested to see. I'm expecting a retracement, but right now we still got a couple more weeks. So I will hold on to my Bitcoin for right now. At least until around like January 8th. Um, XRP has been going phenomenal. It rose 420% in November, and there's a lot of ETFs coming out for XRP as well. The reason XRP is doing so good is because there was talks of partnership with Amazon, so they were that's that's what's causing most of the boom for it. I would definitely put XRP over Ethereum. I I would invest Bitcoin, XRP, Doge, Bitcoin, Doge, XRP, and then I really don't like Ethereum, but it's still doing good. Those are my top three: Bitcoin, XRP, and Doge. Solano's really good. But XRP is set to replace Solana. Yeah, I can see Doge right here moving up to in the top five. So I'm expecting Doge to hit $1. So this will be one of my top investments right now with the Dogecoin. The only reason I'm expecting Doge to be a top five is because Elon Musk is heavily invested into Doge, and he just became leader. He just opened up a government agency called Doge. So he's heavily promoting Doge, take their Doge government efficiency pitch to the hill, which Doge Day at the Capitol. So they're heavily promoting Doge. So I would expect Doge to easily hit $1. Dogecoin is going to be one to really watch out for. This is where I'm trading most right now. Doge, uh, XRP and Solano, they're kind of similar to me, but the reason why Solano is doing so good is because the meme coins. A lot of people trade meme coins in Solano, and there's a lot of money in it. So I expect this to stay in the top 10. BNB is a great platform, great blockchain. So it's also a top 10 coin for a fact. But yeah, definitely look out for Doge. I'm pretty sure Elon's gonna make more announcements on Doge now that Bitcoin hit 100K. So keep an eye out for his Twitter. Let's check out the Dogecoin chart real quick. Let me switch over to charts. Okay, so we have Doge right here. Buys, buys, buys. It just came down to the zone right now. We don't know what these zones are. These are indicators. Check them out in the link below. But it just came down to another buy zone. And from this buy zone, it's expected to hit a new high. So it's going for 50 cents. I have my alerts already set for it. Uh, my signal to sell Doge would be if I see Doge break 40 cents, I'm expected to come down for a retracement. It didn't continue to go up. So if I see the price moving down, and I'll set an alert right here. So price comes down, I'll sell Doge, I'll get out, and I'll get back in and buy it right here. Otherwise, I'm going to keep holding my Doge and let it go 50 cents and eventually cross $1. I'm pretty sure maybe it's not announced, but I'm pretty sure Tesla and Elon has plans with his companies to introduce more Doge with Twitter and everything. So definitely expect to see Doge hit $1. This is one of my favorites right now. Like even from right here. Oh, so you can get a nice 14x movement right here. And then let's say you lose whatever you risk right there. You just get back in right here. You can get a better almost 20x movement here. So even if it goes against one trade here and you take a little loss here, you'll just get back in right here and then you make 20 times what you lost right here. So Doge is a really good coin. This is my trade setup for Doge that I'm going to be using. You can check out more crypto trade setups in the Telegram bio. We got a free Telegram. It's in the bio. You can check that out. But it's, it's kind of what I'm seeing for Doge. Let's check out some more coins. So we're gonna check out Ethereum. That's what people are interested. Those are my zones for Ethereum. I was trading heavily. But even this time, Ethereum it hasn't made an all-time high yet. The people holding on to Ethereum, I feel like the people who bought Ethereum up here, anybody who bought Ethereum up here, these people they want to get out or they want to see profit. So they're holding on. Everyone's hoping Ethereum comes back to a high, and if they can see 5,000 Ethereum. However, my hopes for Ethereum is not that high as the platform. NFTs launched on the platform. It's a good platform to build on. But right now, with everything going on in the world, I just don't see Ethereum being a good coin to hold on to. But that being said, like if the market's big enough, they can still push it. They can still shoot. I'm just not that excited about Ethereum. It hasn't broken any all-time highs. And if you're holding Ethereum, I would not sell just yet. What I would do is so this is when you should sell Ethereum. Price comes, breaks 36.20, and then maybe they'll try to push to get out over here. This would be my selling point right here. Let me go to price comes here. Price comes here. I'll definitely sell Ethereum. Not that I hold it, but this is where I will get out of Ethereum. So if you're holding Ethereum, keep your eye over here. Otherwise, I'll expect price to keep moving up here, and then from this area right here, either come down, and the people who have money in Ethereum will move over to Bitcoin, or I believe Ethereum has some ETFs coming out. Let me double check. Yeah, so they have ETFs also. I'm gonna open up on the screen. Give me a second. We switch over. So right here. So Ethereum has a lot of ETFs, Grayscale. So yeah, and they have a lot of people mining it. So I can see Ethereum holding its position, but just not too excited based on just the announcements they've been making. And it's just not that excited, but the money's gonna be there. So it should you have a safe investment if you're holding it. But if you're in profit, like Grayscale's in it. So Ethereum's gonna be around for a while just because of this company right here. They have some major players holding Ethereum. So, as wherever the banks go, there's going to be money. So the price will go up. It's just the majority of people in the world are excited about Dogecoin, Bitcoin, XRP, Solana, and then Ethereum has a market. So if I was in Ethereum, though, I would move my Ethereum over to Doge or Bitcoin. But if you're holding it, sold out. That was my prediction for Ethereum. This is when I would get out. If price falls below 3,600, I'll be looking to get out. Otherwise, I'll be holding. Let me go back to the charts. Let me see some more evening action. See people targeting $7,000 over there now, $5,000. So the news is definitely there for Ethereum. And the hype for Ethereum is that it's more you're able to code more applications on Ethereum than you are with Bitcoin. However, Bitcoin is more widely acceptable, so that's why it's going to stay number one. And then Doge, with Elon being a part of Doge, I can see Doge coming number two. And then with Jeff Bezos with Amazon back in XRP, I can see that being number three. So there's definitely room for Ethereum. Most people see what they're saying, why it's going to go to 7K. And so ETH is due for a breakout. See it's due for a breakout toward 5K. That's what we looked at the chart before. People want to get out. So people are expecting it to go to 5K. Right now, it's pushing towards the high. Like buyers are buying it. They keep, and the funds are buying it up. This ETF movement. So it's definitely being pushed up. The price is being pushed. It came back to the point where they bought before, pushed it, came back, pushed it. So they're pushing the price up. They're putting a lot of money in it. I can I can see it hitting 5K as it would make sense for the people putting a lot of money in it to push it up. But, and it might even go past it. I personally used ETH before, and then they had the whole NFT thing. NFTs crash, and the fees on ETH are very expensive. So that's why I'm not a fan of it. Let's check out Solana. So Solana is definitely news for Solana. Investors unstake 500 million Solana as Bitcoin breaks 100K. So what does this mean? Are people getting out of Solana to come to Bitcoin? And so Solana hit a roadblock. Let's get the charts of Solana. This doesn't look like good news for the platform. And then, when I look into most of the meme coins, if I go on BullX right now and check out the news, this is where people come to Solana, they buy meme coins, and this is one of the main reasons Solana was going up because of applications like this on the network. So it's a really good network, and it's very accessible to the public and people overseas where they don't have a lot of money. So I feel like Solana is a better version of Ethereum. I see room for it, but then XRP is also becoming that. So, but yeah, you can go ahead and check out the meme coins of Solana. Get the pill. And this is what happens on Solana a lot. People are just rug pulling each other. They're pumping, they're dumping, pump and dump. We can get this chart to load up. So there's a coin called Lurk, how I be lurking. So people come on Solana, they make their own coins, and then the whole network they come and invest, or they have group chats and they pump up the coins. So you can see right here, they pump the coin up in 2 minutes. The coin was just created 2 minutes ago. Brand new coin. It came, they had a group chat, or maybe they made their own wallets, came, pumped the coin up. Other people come buy it, and then it just crashes to zero. So that's why I'm not a big fan of it. So I can find a better example. Solana's it's full of a lot of rug pulls. If I go to the chart of Solana, and people find out meme coins are trending, you can make money. So a lot of people are coming, masses are coming to ETFs. So definitely room for Solana in the future of crypto. I see Solana being the main coin, unless XRP replaces it, just because it has a lot of, as people come more and more online, it has a lot of uses for it. It's not as expensive as Ethereum. It's gonna it's gonna make Ethereum more difficult for people to invest in. What to look for Solana if you want to buy it. Here, if you have an indicator, you can wait for a green candle like this. Wait for a green candle, buy after the green. So if you see a green candle poking on top, I will buy it. I'll push it up. The price just came out of the zone. So it's fighting to stay up. It's already at an all-time high. So it's a great coin. People do like it. It's trending upward. Price may come back down in here and then continue going up, which I think it will just keep going up, to be honest. I can see Solana coming up to 140 billion in total assets. For the future of crypto, I pretty much see you're gonna have your main stable coin, which is gonna be Bitcoin, which people are gonna use for making big purchases. Then you're gonna have coins which anybody can use, whether whatever country they're in, whether it's the third world or not, how much money they have, which is Solana or XRP or Doge. Doge might take that spot. So I see those three coins fighting for, you know, space for the average person to use. And then Ethereum might stay around just because there's a lot of people with money investing, or it might go away. And then, BNB is also in that fight with XRP and Solana. So I see those coins fighting for a spot in the future of crypto. And then otherwise, most of these coins are gonna crash zero most likely, and that money is gonna get pushed into bigger coins. And Bitcoin just it might take profit. Perfect. So I've been in this Bitcoin trade. So I'm gonna keep trading for now. I'm gonna go end the video here. And I'll be back tomorrow with more updates on the Hawk 2 coin and stuff like that.